As mask mandate debates continue for school districts all around West Michigan, another population of parents is concerned that they have no guidance. Preschoolers and kids in daycare are still too young to be vaccinated. So how will mask rules be handled for them? 13 on your side's Keely Lovern takes us to Ottawa County, where a parent and daycare director are both looking for more answers.
Sierra Votenauer won't be sending her 3-year-old son to preschool this year if she can't find a place that's requiring masks.
Well, I don't want my children to contract the virus, and I believe that the CDC guidelines are the best way that we have right now to prevent that from happening until they can receive the vaccine.
She says her family works in healthcare and they've seen firsthand how the pandemic has moved through the community, even in young children.
There are children that are immunocompromised. There are people who live in the house with those school-age children who could potentially be of high risk. And even though the kids may not get severe illness, they can still carry and spread the virus.
She also feels like there hasn't been much guidance for parents of preschool-aged kids.
I feel as though a formal mandate or guidance from our county would really be helpful.
And that's a sentiment shared by Zeeland Community Preschool Director Jennifer Winkler.
No, we were really waiting for regulations to come out more from schools and the older students, and even what they're doing in the elementary schools, because I think a lot of childcare centers and preschools kind of feel like they're making a lot of the decisions on their own.
And they're also putting those schools in a terrible position to have to weigh people who are having really differing opinions.
And for this locally owned daycare, they made their decision on mask wearing based on parent feedback.
Now this year, we're looking at doing more like a pod, and we'll look at what the public schools do as far as mask wearing, but we're right now not planning on wearing masks. Now,
But Winkler says that could change if needed.
we're reserving to the right to use masks again, and we're just hoping that people move beyond themselves and go and get vaccinated so that kids can live more of a normal life like they should.
In Ottawa County, Keely Lovern, 13 on your side.